Hello, hi, how are ya? Today we're gonna be doing a rainbow series, and I actually just seen this on Beautybay, and oh guys, look at this palette. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. By the way, I'm doing the sock curls on my hair right now. So we're gonna do a series on my channel, the rainbow series. So we're gonna do different colors of eyes, which I'm really excited about. Today we're doing purple. If you are new here, hello, my name is Josie. I put out new videos on my channel every single week, and I hope you will subscribe to join the Glam Fam, and let's jump into this video. As mentioned before, this is the eyeshadow palette from Beautybay, which sadly came crushed, so I had to kind of repress the black, but that's okay. I mean, that happens sometimes. This is the Bright Matte 42 color palette. I have already primed my eyes with the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. We're gonna go in with this purple right here, starting off. Ooh, that's pretty. We're gonna kind of use this as our transition tone since it's such a light purple. All right, and then once we have that down, we are gonna go in with this purple, which is a little bit more brighter, and we're just going to add that into our crease, but don't blow it out as much. I like to use a little bit smaller blending brush for this. Guys, look how good that blended out. We're gonna also run this one underneath our eyes. All right, then we are going to add some of this dark purple right here, and we're gonna put that on our lid. And then just blend that out. Then we're gonna go in with the White Lies. Just a little bit, and put that into our inner corner. Just blend that out. Just brightens that corner up just a little bit. This is the NYX Epic Ink Liner in black, and we're just going to line. Some kohl liner. Add some lashes. Done. We're gonna move on to lips, and I'm going to ombre these two. These are both Liquid Suedes by NYX, and let me tell you, these are amazing for doing ombre lips. So this one is Oh Put It On, the darker one, and then this one is Amethyst. All right, let's take our hair down. there it is. This purple look is complete. I really, really like how it turned out, and I hope you guys did too. And if you did, please don't forget to like this video and maybe check out my other videos as well. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I love y'all. Bye. Mwah.